In example 6, we are asked to, using the number line, graph the solution set of x squared minus 4x minus 5 is greater than 0. So just like we did in other examples, we shall first of all look for the zeros of the inequality, which is x squared minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Look for two terms that when you multiply them together, it gives you the product of the first term and the last term. And when you add them together, it gives you the middle term. So the product of the first term and the last term gives us minus 5x squared. So what are those two numbers that when you multiply them together, it gives you minus 5x squared. And when you add them together, it gives you minus 4x. This should be minus 5x and plus 1x. Yes. So I'm going to substitute this for what we have in the middle term. So this becomes x squared minus 5x plus x minus 5 is equal to 0. I have now made it a four-term expression. So factorize them in twos. X is common. We have x into bracket, x minus 5. What is common in the next two terms? Plus 1 is common. Since nothing else is common, into x minus 5, which is equal to 0. Factorizing them again, you have x minus 5 into x plus 1, which is equal to 0. So this becomes x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to plus 5, or x is equal to minus 1. So we are asked to, using number line. So this is our number line. Let's call this our 0 mark. And this is point minus 1. And this is point positive 5. So we are asked to find the region where this parabola is greater than 0. Now, since it is a U-shaped graph, so it's going to be at this region where the value is said to be greater than 0, and at this region. So we are asked to use number line and to graph the solution. So we have it that the solution now becomes x minus 1 is less than x, and x is greater than positive 5. So this gives us the solution to this inequality. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so, and also follow me on TikTok and on Facebook at my lesson teacher Matt. Turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. What I recommend you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take example 7.